Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on the Danfoss Product Store. In this video, we will demonstrate how to search for a dedicated Danfoss product and show you how to place the item in your cart. Lastly, we will display how easy it is to convert the items in your cart to an order with Danfoss. To begin, let's look at how to search for Danfoss products from your home screen. At the top of the page, click on the magnifying glass icon to start your search. A search bar will appear, and you can populate it with any dedicated Danfoss 8-digit part number. You can even search for type codes that are established in our system. Once you've located your product, click on it and you will be directed to the next screen. You have now entered the product details screen. It is here in which you can learn all about the product you've chosen, including technical information, pricing, possible accessories and spare parts, and also things like warranty and startup services. As you scroll down the page, use the quick links you see on the screen to navigate efficiently within the store. Now that you have verified the product and are ready to order, scroll back up to the top of the page. Then, enter the quantity you want and click on Add to Cart. Once you do that, you will notice that the cart icon at the top of the page will now show something is in it. If you are not adding anything else to your cart, go ahead and click on the cart icon. You are now inside your cart and are only moments away from placing your order. Before you place your order, be sure to check a few things first. You can pick a requested ship date and choose between partial or complete shipments. As always, it is good to make sure the items and quantities in your cart are correct. Then, scroll down to the purchase and shipping information sections. A purchase order number must be provided to place the order. You will see other information fields as well. If you have any questions on what these fields indicate, click on the question mark icon next to each field for a brief description. You can communicate specific and special instructions with our customer service team about your order through these fields. Once you have provided all of the necessary information, you must then click on the Update Cart button. Then scroll down and click on Proceed to Order Summary. Now that you have made it to the order summary screen, all that is left to do is to complete the order. As you check one last time to make sure everything is correct, scroll down and be sure to accept the terms and conditions. Then, click on Complete the Order. And there you have it. It's that easy. You have placed an order with Danfoss. Please look for the sales order number in the middle of the page, or print a PDF version as well. This concludes the tutorial on adding items to the cart and ordering. Stay tuned for more product store tutorials to optimize your quoting and ordering experience.